Yeah. Now raid. Hard point. You see, we were winning. We start off winning, and then I'm playing fine. You see, I have no red bar. All of a sudden, let me fast forward it. I'll flood me. Actually, I couldn't even get back online, and then I could get back online 3 minutes after they make my teammate play man down last map. I tried to call them and tell them don't play because they flooded me, but I didn't answer the phone. There you see, I lag out, and then my teammate playing man down. And we end up losing this map. And now you're gonna see the messages I received. There you see Clowning says get flooded, LOL. And then I said you gotta cheat to win. And then he was like, prove it, LOL, GG. And then they were trying to get me to cancel the whole time. There's the Clowning say, can we cancel? We don't play these rules. And then Cream saying, we don't play Variant, we play S&D. Please cancel, man. Please, can you cancel? So, I mean, it's all there. So, thank you.